What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another freaking video, y'all. I just bought this wig not too long ago, but I'm about to put it back on my head, and I'm finna basically do like a little hair review, let y'all see how good this hair is. Girl, this wig was like $4.49. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Watch me install this wig. So now, y'all, I'm about to apply the got to be glued to my edges because I don't use a cap. So I'm applying that to slick my edges back. Then I'm just going to come in with a little alcohol. I'm about to come in with a little ghost bun. This is the first layer of ghost bun, just on my edges, not on my hair. But yes, there's the ghost bun. As y'all can see, I was having so many problems with my lace, but who don't have a problem with their lace when it comes down to installing a wig? But y'all just stay tuned. So yeah. Y'all see, girl, back in the game. And the reason I don't use stocking caps is because y'all know how y'all weed get that little itchy feeling. Hold on. Y'all know how y'all weed get that little itchy feeling. Like it be itching real bad. That cap be bothering me, like bothering the heck out of me. So I don't bother with the cap. I just do it on my head, but make sure your hair is brushed back so you keep your edges back, girl. Keep your edges. And I've been doing mine like that for a minute, so y'all know that it's a safe way to do it because it's not taking my hair out. You know, some people might be different, might be, but me, honestly, I don't. So yeah, this is like the finished look of this. I'm back in the game, girls. I love when I do my hair. I be looking so pretty. Pretty. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am so pretty. I be excited when I do my hair. This the finished look. I'm finna go out so y'all can see how it look on me or whatever. It's the finish. And this is 28 inches, by the way. I would have got a 30. Y'all know I like it real long, but I would have got a 30, but they didn't have a 30. So I just went off with what I can get. This is the finished look. And it's a full lace, by the way. And I did color my roots brown. I don't know why, but I colored it brown all the way down. You just can't see it right here because of this swoop, and I didn't really cut it. But yeah, I colored this brown all the way down. I need to do like the insides right here. I want to color that brown too, but I just did this one. I leave how it is. But yeah, your girl is in the game. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video, y'all. Y'all seen me transform into a baddie. I was just looking like Uncle Ed, Uncle Brian. But yeah, y'all, this wraps up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell, post notification, get up there. What I do, when I do it, and how I do it. And I am out. Peace.